Oh dear. Favorite character from the movie 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea?
Captain Nemo.
Yay! Captain Nemo.
Look at those moves.
Well, but when it's all true, I swear by my tattoo. Hey!
All right.
Gideon!
Thank you. Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger.
And I'm Sea Stranger.
And right now we are in front of Gideon'S Bakehouse here at Disney Springs. We're waiting again. We'll be in there momentarily. Sea Stranger, what cookies are here at Gideon'S Bakehouse for the month of October?
We have October's limited edition flavors, our Frankenstein, which is a dark chocolate double stuffed Oreos and M&Ms. And then the Bride of Frankenstein, which is white chocolate, golden Oreos, and M&Ms.
Now my question to you, T, what are you aching for? Which cookie do you think would please you the most?
I think the Bride of Frankenstein, because I'm not a big fan of dark chocolate to the Frankenstein.
Oh, but the Disney Stranger is a big fan of dark chocolate. I think I am going to like that one very much. I'm going to do Frankenstein, and you're going to do Bride of Frankenstein. All right, so we're ready to go in. We're almost there. We're right around the corner. So follow us for this month's version of Gideon'S Bakehouse Specialty Cookies. Thank you. Thanks, Patty. We are back in Gideon'S, and that smell is so overwhelming. Tea Stranger, can you smell that? It smells good. Thank you very much.
You have a great day. Have a good one. We're back. It's been a few hours.
Hi, Sea Stranger. I'm so happy to have you back. Unfortunately, I could not join you on this trip. So where did you go?
We got Gideon'S.
Oh, wow. Cannot wait to try that.
Hey, wait a second, guys. Where's Disney? I don't see Disney around here. Isn't she going to join us for some cookies?
She can't eat Gideon'S today.
She's a little out of commission. While you and Disney Stranger were having a blast, she was getting her 4 wisdom teeth out. So no cookies for her.
Oh no, we're gonna have more for you guys. You're gonna have to save her a little piece, maybe put it in the freezer for a day or two. I don't know.
Yeah. We'll save some back.
And Danny Stranger also has a cookie.
All right, T. Let's see what kind of cookies that we got.
Ooh, I'm so excited. Yum, yum. Oh, wow. Gideon'S Bakehouse. Oh, did you get the October limited edition flavors? Awesome. Cannot wait to try. Yum.
Okay.
Now, which one is this, Sea Stranger?
This is, oh, put it upside down. Flip it, hold on. This is the Bride of Frankenstein.
Ooh, what makes it special? Let's see, it is white chocolate, golden Oreos, and M&Ms. Yes, I see the colorful M&Ms now.
I don't know about you guys, but I sure can smell it.
Okay, I'm gonna just put my fork in.
Here we
Stick a
go.
fork in it.
Oh, crumbly. I'm trying.
And don't be shy about eating a cookie with a fork. When they're Gideon's,
I didn't get the center. I only got M&Ms.
I definitely taste the M&Ms and the white chocolate chunks. Kind of has a little bit of a sugar cookie taste. What do you think?
Doesn't really stand out to me. I mean, the only thing that stands out to me is the M&Ms. That's like really in my mouth.
so you're not a fan of white chocolate, right? Is it that you're not a big fan of white chocolate?
Nah, not really. Like, not a big fan, but
I definitely had a better Gideon cookie in the past.
yeah,
It's good,
it's just there.
but it's not real special.
With every bite, you at least get one M&M, and this overpowers it. So it's like kind of hard to tell. Feels good though.
Yes, still yummy, but not totally impressed. I'm sorry.
I think it's just like golden graham, not golden Oreos. Like, is there cake batter in this?
What do you think, Disney Stranger?
Tastes like sugar cookie dough. It's not really cooked in the middle. I think it's supposed to be like that. Very soft. But too much sugar for the Disney Stranger. Disney Stranger doesn't like that much sugar.
I give this a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Definitely had some better
Yeah.
Gideon's.
Yes.
Okay.
Ready to move on. So what's the next cookie on our cookie agenda?
This is Frankenstein. Not the Bride of Frankenstein, just Frankenstein.
All right, let's see what this
Oh, no.
is.
It's upside down.
This is dark chocolate,
Ooh.
Ooh.
double stuffed
Oh, wow.
Oreos and M&Ms. So this one's like white chocolate and that one is dark chocolate.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm gonna try it. This looks
Looks like a dirt cake. Definitely taste the M&Ms. I hear the crunch.
What do you taste?
I don't know.
Alright, now I'm seeing. So I think they crushed up the Oreo cookie on the outside. And this one's crushed up vanilla. I get it now. This one's
Just realized.
so this one's a little more chocolatey.
No, not really.
No?
The inside isn't chocolate. What are you doing with it?
There it is. I've had better Gideon cookies.
Oh, okay. But it's dark chocolate, so I'm gonna have to take a piece.
It's not really dark chocolate.
It's not?
I don't taste any dark chocolate.
Well, it's very sugary again. A lot of sugar. Not very dark, really.
No.
No.
It's like,
I mean, I think I got a little piece of dark chocolate in there. I could definitely taste the dark chocolate, but there's not a lot of it.
Oh yeah, there's a
there's
big
an Oreo
piece of Oreo
chunk here.
and I see Oreo chunk in there too.
It's just the M&M just. Oh, this one doesn't have it.
They mask the flavor of the rest of the cookie,
Yeah.
but they look pretty, right?
Yeah.
Right, colorful M&Ms, can't go wrong. But if I had to choose, I would choose Frankenstein over Bride of Frankenstein. I think it does need a little bit of chocolate thrown in. Here we go.
This is the final one. I am cookied out right now.
Cookied out? Oh my goodness.
So much sugar.
Yeah, it is a lot of sugar. I just had this 2 bites, like I'm like having a sugar rush already.
Oh, wow. I need water.
I just want more cookies.
What? Okay, this is banana bread.
Ah, this might
I
be
can smell that.
interesting.
Oh, it smells good.
Yeah, it does.
I need,
I'm not even that close and I can smell it right here.
whoa.
Wow.
Oh, that's a pecans on this.
Banana bread, chocolate.
This, what do I even?
Alrighty, here we go.
Wow, this is a lot of stuff.
There's gonna be a lot of flavor going on in this one. Wow, that's a banana explosion in your mouth. As soon as you start tasting, it's banana. And then I'm getting the chocolate chip
Oh, it's like dark chocolate.
and the nut.
All right, T Stranger's not a fan of dark chocolates. He's having a problem with the dark chocolate chips. Is that what it is?
I wish the outside was all the stuff, but the inside was just plain. The inside is full of stuff. There's nothing like, it's just, there's like barely any cookie. Oh yeah, this is so good.
It's a chocolate chip cookie with banana thrown in. To me,
Well, is that a good thing or a bad thing?
different.
Right, it tastes like
Um,
a banana nut muffin.
like a banana chocolate chip muffin.
All right, I'll try a piece. Because Disney Stranger loves bananas. Put some peanut butter in it, and you like it even more.
I'm surprised they didn't.
Oh my!
Banana explosion, right?
Oh wow!
Chocolate.
With walnut. Is it walnut? Yep.
Yeah. My mom stranger's gonna love that. She
Oh, they're
loves-
walnut. I said they were pecans.
You know what? This one's not as sugary as the other two. I mean, the others are too much. This is good. This is a nice balance of
Right.
bananas,
Only like-
banana bread, walnuts, chocolate chips. It's really good.
I would say this is an 8 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
Should have tried this one first.
So, T Stranger, are we cookied out yet?
Yes. Definitely. Too much chocolate.
Sugar rush.
I think she's getting a sugar high. All right, so Gideon cookies.
I think overall, a 7 out of 10.
Overall. Okay.
Yeah. Like a 6 out of 10, 6 out of 10, and then
So, I mean,
Right, the banana really gives it a different flavor.
Yeah.
This is kind of like blah, and that's like, okay.
and out of all the Gideon's we've had, so which one, like, you're still thinking of is still the best, like, in the back of your head?
Pistachio's really
No.
good. Peanut butter.
that one was good.
Yeah,
No,
peanut
a lot
butter
of people
was
like the
very good.
pistachio one.
I don't know. It was really good.
I did like the
My
peanut butter
favorite
one.
one was peanut butter and cookies and cream.
Yes, cookies and cream is very good.
And also that peanut
Which,
butter
you
chocolate
know-
one we had last time, remember?
Yeah.
But the cookies and cream, you would think these would give cookies and cream a little bit of, competition since they both have Oreos made in them. But
I think there's too much chocolate in all 3 of these cookies because of the M&Ms on top.
Yeah,
Which
there's a
are
lot
like
of M&Ms.
really overpowering, and every bite you get is at least 1 M&M.
hey, T Stranger, these cookies were delicious. And what do we always say?
Don't forget to walk forward!
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.